What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mo, and I'm back with another video. Today we'll be installing a carbon fiber front grille on the G37 today, so stay tuned. I'm about to make my way to the house. I just had to grab some tools, and I had to drill some holes into the front grille right there, one right there, and just plenty more all around it, just because it didn't come with no pre-drill holes or anything. So I'm on my way back to the house right now. I'm real excited to see how it looks. I washed the car today already too, so all I gotta do is just uninstall the chrome front grille and install this carbon one. We're gonna see how it looks. And you know, definitely them intanks gonna have to get reinstalled, but I'm gonna just purchase me some 3-inch ones, so that's coming pretty soon too. So this is the day after my birthday. Thank you for all my new subscribers. Thank you for all my old subscribers that be watching. Thank you for all the support. I appreciate you guys so much. And also, I will not be recording off of my phone anymore. So you see I got my phone in my hand right here. Here's a clip of what I'm recording off right now. Today I'll be recording off my new GoPro 360 Max. So I will not be recording off my phone anymore. So all my new content will be coming from this. So comment down below and let me know how y'all like it, how it looks, the quality, the sound, and all that. My new GoPro 360 Max. So be prepared for all the new fire content I'm gonna be having for us, guys. We about to go crazy. But pulling back up to the spot right now, so I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I get y'all mounted up, and I'll start uninstalling that chrome one, and we're gonna see how this carbon fiber one look. I'm excited too. Shout out to my mom. She bought me this for my birthday as a gift. I appreciate you. I love you. If you're watching, comment down below. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna cut the camera back on when I pull up and get it all situated. All right, y'all, so I got the two 10mm bolts removed from each side. So let me start getting this bumper out. Do the same on this side, just pop it out. Should have got some tape so I don't scratch up my freaking bumper. But fuck it, I'm gonna end up buying me the sport bumper anyway. So basically, this is what you would do to get access to this. I see a lot of people just remove the whole bumper. I'm not gonna do that. Take too much time. My time is precious to me. So let me remove this freaking crash bar shield. And yeah, so this is how you access your front grille right here. You got a bolt right here, another bolt down here, one right here, another one right here, and another one down there. So let me remove this, get this out the way, and get to installing the way better looking one. I really can't wait too to just have this on the car. Like, it's gonna match up so good with the chrome delete and my rear carbon fiber duck bill. So man, we locking in. Way more to come for the car too, so stay tuned, y'all. Let me get this out. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna start to install this one and let y'all know what y'all have to do. Also, if you buy one of these carbon fiber front grills, it does not come with holes drilled already, so you're gonna have to drill these yourself, which I did. Shout out to Matt for letting me use his drill bit, but you have to drill your own holes, so just be aware of that. All right, y'all, so it's easy as hell to remove this front grille. So I got this out, about to get this on. And what I was saying to y'all is, you see how like our stock front grille has screws in it right here, right here, right here, and all of that. And this one doesn't, so that's why I got the pre-drill holes in there, just so I can finesse it and just customize it. So I'm not gonna bore y'all and show y'all me putting this in and all that. It's gonna take me a little while to make sure I could get it to fit right and all that. So let me just get it in, and I'm gonna tell y'all what I had to do to get it in. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I'm done installing it. The chrome is out, and we got the carbon fiber on. I'm gonna definitely have to do some adjustments to it. Not in a rush, but I don't feel like taking it back off and doing it and stuff, you feel me? So I'm gonna definitely have to do some adjustments to it. But overall, I like the look of it. It looks pretty good. So just get a nice walk around the car. I'm feeling that. I like it. Definitely make it look different too. So yeah, we all blacked out on the G now, man. We got the black rims, got the chrome delete going on, carbon fiber front grille. Intakes installation is coming next, because I need to see them intakes in that front grille for sure. So that's coming next, and then we all done. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the fitment right here too, where I said I'm gonna have to adjust it. And this side right here has got a little gap compared to how this is just nice and flush and sticking out a little bit more than this side. So I'm gonna get that all squared down later on. I'm about to go upstairs and eat and shit, and nigga hungry. But I've been noticing my headlights been getting condensation too, so these gotta go. So yeah, y'all, that's it. This video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Mo, and I'm out. Peace.